Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a capable file manager and going straight to the app data folder. Once done, make sure to show hidden files since config files are commonly hidden. You need to identify the exact file name, Zarchiver, CFG prefs, XML, or a similarly named preferences file, because removing the wrong file can break settings. If you have Android 11 Plus or limited access, you may instead access a backup or use ADB to reach /data/data. This avoids permission roadblocks. You should always back up the file before deleting, so you can restore preferences if needed. Then, choose your deletion method. In-app file manager delete is simple, whereas a DB shell rm/data/data/ offers more control on restricted devices. Make sure the file permissions allow deletion. If not, change ownership or permissions using chown/chmod via a DB or a rooted file manager. This prevents leftover files and avoids corrupting app state by removing only the targeted config. After deletion, open Zarchiver and verify it recreated default settings or behaved as expected. If it crashes or misbehaves, stop and restore your backup copy, then reboot the device to clear cached state. That often fixes permission or cache-related issues. If problems persist, capture logcat for errors or reinstall the app to force clean configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: always restore the backup first. Only escalate to reinstall or root-level fixes if the backup does not resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.